Yung 140 pounds ako, and now that I'm 124 pounds, I'm lighter. I feel light, and I'm starting. It's like 3 days already. I've started walking because when I know that my cholesterol is up, because it's my fault also because sometimes I don't take my statin, my atorvastatin, and I tried to do it because I want to be healthy again. Even my age is already is I'm 64 already. I'm retireable, so I want to be healthy even when I'm gonna retire, not like just sitting there doing nothing at home. I still want to be active. That's why I lose the weight. Ano, ang hirap talaga, mahirap. Ang lifestyle change is not a diet. Low carb intermittent fasting is not a diet. It's a lifestyle change because you need to change your lifestyle. Dami pa naman yung asawa ko, yung mga anak ko, yung mga apo ko, gusto-gusto nila yung mga asukal. Ay my God.